A2's Farmall 51 here. All right, we're getting set up for the 2024 State Fair here, and this come in I think earlier today or last night, I don't know, but good friend Jesse Hook's here. Latest restoration he completed here just a couple days ago, and it's a 1959 Farmall 140. This here's I guess you would call your in the group of the first generation Farmall 140s. Same simple thing, same simple concept as the 100 and 130 there, just different sheet metal and all, and a little power difference, a few other little things they added and changed on them over the years. But this here, I guess, like I said before, this would be, I guess, considered your first gen 140. It has the aluminum emblems on it, your oval. Jesse's been working on this for quite a while, and just got it done, and did an excellent job on it, in my opinion. And I figured I'd take you on a little walk around here of it. Like I said, he did an excellent job on the paint. He added these, I don't believe these tractors, well, these tractors would come with a generator, but he added the guard on them, which he and I both had kind of agreed that they look a little better with the guard on it. It kind of hides that alternator and gives a little better appearance. To me, nothing, I mean, like the 100 over here, it just kind of sticks out. Not the best look, but it all depends if you're going for originality or functionality, I guess. Alternator's the best way to go. They do have the mini alternators, little one-wire alternators and all. So. But Jesse's put the fabric-coated wiring on here, and that adds a nice touch. I'm sure either that, I think that was from Brillman or Porch Electric. I'm not sure which one he got that one from. But he has the 16-inch tires on the front with the wheel weights added on the inside. And that's another thing I like. You've seen a couple videos back. To me, it gives it a cleaner appearance on the outside. I know it really don't matter. The only bad thing is if you get the front end stuck or something like that, that mud will get packed in there. But keep it washed out, I don't think that'll be a problem. But to me, they look better on the inside. It just gives them a cleaner appearance. He's got a very, very nice muffler on it. I'm not sure if this may be a Steiner's muffler, I'm not sure, but he's got the nice rain cap on it. Like I say, the paint on here is just, he did a great job on it. Got all the decals like where they should be. Pretty clean air cleaner decal, but you can see, I'm not sure if who he had do the emblems, but he's had those restored, I'm sure. They look great. So, but got the safety cap. I know you heard Max Armstrong talk about the lawsuit they had with those and all that. So you've got the console up here. Got international gauge, correct gauge, push-pull switch, same would be pretty much almost like the same as the 130. Your light switch, your throttle quadrant, I guess they'd call it. Touch control up here, got some nice stops on it. This bar here, that's a typical fix on these. People didn't use, there would be a stop here, and I know you've seen me talk about it in a couple of videos back. There would be a stop here, and people would have them too far back, and when that hitch, whatever you're doing, plowing, cultivating, or something like that, that would cause the hitch to ride up or hit a rock or something, it would bend, it would catch right here, and you can see somebody's had it tightened right up close, and it would cause this to bend. So, but they eliminate the whole problem if you just move that stop up just a little bit. Keep that from keep that from happening. That was a typical problem I've seen on a lot of tractors. People didn't put the lever in the right spot. But he's got the 24-inch tires, 12.4 24s on the back. He's got a pretty good connection for tires. But this tractor's also got the equipped with a fast hitch. And I might change my light around so my SMV sign will be right. Mine's upside down because of the light was turned up, I guess. And Mr. Scott gets me on that all the time. You know who you are, Scott. But anyway, so yeah, he's got it all set up here. That's a different, I've never seen that sign, SMB type sign before. But got the deluxe seat on it. That was, I believe that was standard on it at that time. You still had the option to get the pan seat in the early 140s. I don't know how long they did that, but I do know that you still could get the pan seat on them. Another thing I like to look at is the casting code, which is this little number here, and this one's hard to see, but this has a 1, a 17, and an R, and they started over there with the lettering, and so I think that's R or H. I think it's H. But so that'd be a January the 17th of 59 for this tractor, or that particular part. So you may see a December part and you may see a February part number, but most of the time, see, this one has an H. It's a 313, so this will be January the 3rd. So a lot of your parts on this tractor, so this is a very early 59 140. But yeah, everything on here, I mean, Jesse's done an excellent job on restoring it. Your right oil gauge on there, stripping and all that. He's even got the 144 cultivators decal on here. A lot of times that gets rubbed off, or people put their foot up there and, you know, that mess gets rubbed off, and they're such thin decals that it doesn't take much to wear them off. But we may go ahead and we need to move it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank it up, and we'll let you see it run. And like I said, we'll move it over a little bit because I got a 130 that's supposed to go here. But we're moving on down the line there, and we got some more tractors coming. So all right, we'll let you see that. well, there you go, folks. There's the 1959 Farmall 140 owned by my friend here, Jesse. And like I say, did excellent restoration, and I'll see if I can get this video up here sometime soon. But like I say, we're still moving equipment in the fair here, and that's it. And like I say, we'll catch up with you later. All right, thanks for watching.